I'm going round this thing, I'd love you like again. I wish that I could stay, but you are you. More than this, I wish you could have seen my face in backseat staring out the window. I'd do anything for you, kill anyone for you. So leave yourself intact, 'cause I will be coming back. And the praise to God this lives, I love you. The morning will come, in the prayers of every kiss, with your head upon my chest, where I will annoy you with every waking breath, until you decide to wake up. I've burned through hope and faith, and the curves around your face, that I'm the one you hold forever. If more